funky, I have a funky diet. I eat only fluid that's covered in mold. It's like toxic, but it's better than gold. If I had to, I would reach out to my dad, and I think his name's Matthew. I don't know. Fuck. Actually, my little brother's Matthew. And my little cousin's name is Zach too. But I slap them both because I hate my cousins. Fuck them. I don't fucking love them. But if they had to be, I would just go and grab their feet and I would tickle them until they're fucking coming all over their own faces like I did in grade 11. When this chick was giving me head, she's like, "You done?" I was laying down in my bed on a pillow, and then I just busted out red. It was blood. Holy fuck, what's out of my nuts? What do I keep in there? Holy fuck.
I get sweet with the rhymes. He was abandoned by his dad, I was beat by mine. You know what's whack? Having a good relationship with your dad, that's a fact. It makes you not cool, not funny, and probably not even really good at rap. So, if I bring it back, I'm so nostalgic, I still miss the past when he beat my ass. Take my fucking Halloween candy and throw it in the trash. Break my favorite toy, smash it in front of my face. What a disgrace. My whole youth was a waste. Now I'm trying to meditate and illuminate. Can't communicate still. Can't fucking talk to men, I get the chills.
Yo, I'm like a Buddha, the way I can't sit still. In classroom, I had my pockets and then I picked them out. They was empty, and then this bitch, she opened her mouth and I put everything I had in my pockets in her. Broke them, and then she couldn't eat dinner. Fuck, I'm a real bad guy, guess I suck. Why quit hockey, man, I just suck. Just kidding, I was the fucking best with the puck. Did it every day, yeah, I guess they just hated faggots, but I don't give a fuck, I'm not really gay. Well, that's up for display, that's why I'm on stage, G-string naked. Shit, I don't even eat bacon, just kidding, I always do. I like bacon, and I always drink a brew. I'm sober now too, I'm just lying. I'm just trying to get the fucking crowd ignited. But if I had to, I would get drunk and then kiss my cousin Matthew.
Shout out to Matthew. In the bathroom in a snafu. I'm about to snatch you and take you to the back of the van. Ooh, I watch violent porn 9 hours a day. If you don't like porn, you're fucking gay. Yo, let's go join a fucking hockey team so we can haze people with the homophobic schemes. Sodomize them with the broken stick. It ain't even a joke, you pricks. You know what it is. The fucking culture's fucked. Slap your face like a pup. Yo, that's what's up. I'm at center ice and I'm dropping the gloves. Cause I'm a man, I'm masculine as fuck. And maybe if I keep winning fights, my dad gon' give me a fucking hug tonight. Yo, this shit is not right. That's just my motherfucking plight.
Yeah, that shit is just not right. The way we grew in the family systems is not tight. But the jeans is and the G-string is, so it makes up for the hugs I didn't get. Yeah, that shit just got me wet. Anytime that I crack my butt, and I'm freestyling, so the shit's off the top of my head. I do this shit till I'm fucking dead. And we're all gonna die, we're all almost dead. And my dad, he's almost there, but he was too busy selling coke, and then he moved that shit from Colombia. Yeah, he traveled a long way to make a large stack. Had a briefcase and he never came back. Packed it up and said he was going to the corner store. Just kidding, he didn't even say that. What a fucking whore.
What a whore. Trying to spit it fresh to make up for all the hugs I didn't get as a little child. I'm trying to get sick with the style, cause I never was allowed to smile. Wasn't allowed to ask questions or joke. Yo, no, you know the shit, fuck that, all the shit that I wrote. Okay, yo.
Greatest time of my life.
Bring it back, one time. Here we go, yo. I said the flow's sick, I thought you would notice. I'm overdosing on the skull splitting bullshit. I'm back flipping off a cliff, yo, I'm sending it. I love my life, but I'm ending it tonight. Yo, shout out to Christ. I prayed for him to come into my mind, but the divine was something I could never really find. And that's why I'm watching hard porn all the time. I'm addicted to everything. Everything that stimulates the senses. Shit is just endless. I'm in a fucking place that's deep down and demented. Trying to fucking rap, cause I ain't got no friends, bitch.
Fuck, I'm worried about UConn. I guess I should call his mom and tell him what he's been saying on the mic. He's rapping with a dude with a collar and spikes. What a freak. God, these guys are weird. They don't even have shoes on their feet. But if they did, it would be one pink and one white. Cause that's how they do it right. The funky style is here to ignite devotion to Christ. Fuck it, right? Cause I can't go a day without jerking off. It's how I do it. And then I call my mom.
Yo, so if you make a plan and stick to it, you might end up on stage rapping with a naked man. This is the fucking pinnacle. Fuck that, I've been dreaming of this since middle school. Stacking syllables. Yo, I'm finding bliss. 10,000 hours on the rhyming just for this. What the fuck is this shit? Still busting, still life means nothing. Going kidnapping your cousin plus your husband. I never gave a fuck, man, never will again. Inside my brain is way too much pain. I'm about to blow it out like my new name, Cobain. I'm doing this whole thing, I'm soaking in the frozen rain. Ain't nobody gonna see the shit I see in my mind. I'm a sick MC. Don't check reality, don't fucking check my ego. The sweet free flow, ain't nobody see me, bro. Here we go.
UConn suicidal. He was 10 minutes late. This might be fatal. What the fuck? Fuck it, I'm up here in a thong. I don't give a fuck about shit. That's why I'm up here, kid. Ever since I was a kid, I was searching for this, I guess. But what the fuck is life? If you have a collar, I'll fuck your wife. Yeah, that's how I do it. It's how I live. I just need me when I eat with a bib. And I need a bib, cause the chicken and ribs is too saucy for your kid. He's taking a sip. God damn it, I thought you were a rapper. What is this joke? Who is this bro? He's suicidal and I'm worried about his mental health. And he's also my deepest rival. When we're on stage, I'm like a tidal wave. I'm gonna insult him now, cause this guy is, well, he's white. Could be named Dave. He's basic. Shit, I don't even taste him. Can you taste him? Take out your dick and give me a taste, kid.
Oh my god. If your friend is suicidal, insult them on stage. It's the best way.
It's what my dad taught me.
How long's this track? 10 more minutes of this, everybody.
I got this song. I went to Ethiopia.